Hello. Welcome to the start of something new. This essay is designed to do one thing: help you master your money mindset for good. Welcome to the Money Booster channel. We use the SWEET philosophy: simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. Today, proven habits for lasting wealth. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. A simple definition. So, what is a money mindset? It is the collection of beliefs, attitudes, and feelings you hold about money. Think of it as the invisible script running in the background of your mind that plays whenever you face a financial situation. This script dictates how you think and feel: spending, saving, investing, talking about money. It is formed over a lifetime: upbringing, personal experiences, culture, and messages from the world around you. Your money mindset is the root system from which all your financial behaviors grow. If the roots are unhealthy, the tree will not flourish. A scarcity mindset believes money is limited, hard to earn, even harder to keep, breeding fear, anxiety, and constant worry. It hides in hoarding, avoiding statements, and feeling guilty beyond necessities, always on defense, never building the life you want. An abundance mindset sees money as a tool. Money can be grown. Value can be created. Finances can be managed effectively. It is not reckless. It is confident, possibility, control, and investing in yourself with calculated risks and guilt-free joy. The goal is to consciously shift from scarcity to abundance. To change your financial life, start by changing your mind. Budgets and apps are downstream solutions to an upstream problem. If you believe "I am bad with money" or "rich people are greedy," you will sabotage positive actions. Identify, challenge, and rewrite your script. I developed a framework called SWEET: simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. Use SWEET as a filter to choose habits that will stick. Avoid the try for a week and quit cycle. Our 10 habits align with SWEET: easy to integrate, tangible benefits, more control. This is not a pile of vague tips. It is a strategic system for rewiring your brain. We will define money mindset, break down SWEET, then dive into 10 habits with examples and smooth transitions. You will see how each habit builds on the others. Finally, you get a concrete implementation plan and resources. Let's begin. The first habit is gratitude. Before you manage what you want, appreciate what you have. Each day, name one thing you are grateful for: the taste of your morning coffee, the comfort of a warm bed, a steady job that pays the bills. Do it first thing. Keep it short and specific. Writing it down makes it tangible and calms scarcity. Next, set one clear, specific, realistic goal. Vague like "save more" is useless. Make it measurable, with a deadline, and easy to track. Break it into steps, like $200 per month. This removes ambiguity and focuses action. Track your spending for 30 days. Absolutely no judgment. You are a scientist gathering data. Awareness creates choice. Keep the coffee if it sparks joy, or redirect to your goal. No complex spreadsheet needed. Just record every purchase. At month's end, find patterns and realign spending to values. Learn small, daily doses: one article, a 15-minute podcast, or a short video. Target your learning to your goals. Debt methods: beginner index funds, Roth IRAs. Consistency grows confidence, and confidence drives action. Replace negative self-talk with empowering truths. Repeat them in the morning or when anxiety hits. Surround yourself with people who discuss money positively. Share goals for accountability. Celebrate progress to wire a positive feedback loop. Make the process enjoyable. Automate transfers the day after you get paid. Start with even $20. Automate retirement contributions. Systems beat willpower. Automation is the single most reliable way to build wealth over time. Be intentional about inputs. Unsubscribe from temptations. Unfollow envy triggers. Ignore sensational panic. Protect your mental energy for what matters. Before non-essential buys, pause. Do I truly need this? Does it align with my values and goals? Use a 24 to 72 hour wait for larger purchases. Mindful spending maximizes value and reduces regret. These 10 sweet-aligned habits build on each other. Take notes and pause to reflect as you go. Overcoming common money mindset blocks. Fear of failure, procrastination, limiting beliefs. These are hurdles you can learn to clear. Shrink the failure until it is tiny. Start with $1 per day or one tracked purchase. Stack small wins to build evidence and confidence. Perfectionism is procrastination in disguise. Work for 5 minutes on one task. Review your statement or set up an auto transfer. Starting breaks inertia. Challenge old beliefs with evidence. Replace with an action-oriented belief and pair it with a small action. Action overwrites the old story. Knowing the habits is one thing. Integrating them is another. Use SWEET to implement. Step 1. Choose one habit that fits SWEET. Simple, useful, inspiring, timely, empowering. Step 2. Make a tiny, unbreakable rule. Example, write down one purchase per day. Step 3. Check in weekly. If it worked, continue or raise gently. If not, simplify and add reminders. Let each habit take root before adding another. Slow, steady, systematic. This method is for long-term success, not short bursts. Progress, not perfection. Your rich life starts now. You understand money mindset, 10 sweet approved habits, common blocks, and a clear plan. Choose one tiny action today. Write one gratitude, set a $5 auto transfer, or read one article. Use simple tools, tracking apps or your notes, bank automation, a notebook, and a podcast. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Money Booster for weekly content. Be patient and compassionate. Celebrate small wins. Keep your why in focus. You are in control. Your journey starts now.